So in an experiment of rolling two dice, find the probability that the number on the second die is less than the first die. Now look here. So this is die 1. Okay, this is die 1. This is die 2. Die 1 and die 2. Now these are the 6 phases, we know that. Suppose he is saying that on the first die, whatever the number comes on the first die, the should be more than the number on the second die, which turn up. Okay, so this is the second die. So if when we throw first die and then later on the second die, so the number on the second die, the turning up the number on the second die must be less than the turning up of the number of the first die. Say for example, if I roll die 1 first, it got 6 on the surface on the top. So when I roll the second die, so the number that should come on the top face must be either 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, because on the second die the number should be less than the first one. So if I 6 turns up here, it should be either 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, because it is less than 6. There are 5 ways are there. Similarly, when I throw again, suppose it turns up 5, then it should be on this surface on the top of this on the top face, it should be 4, 3, 2, 1, 4 ways. Suppose it turns up 4 here, it should be 3, 2 or 1. So 3 ways. If it turns up 3 here, it should be 2, 1. Turns up 2 here, it should be 1. So all the possibilities, we know that on a die contains 6 numbers, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1 cannot come here, because on the top of the first die, 1, if it comes 1 here, so of course it can come 1 here, but this is possibility of less than on the die is not possible. Therefore 1 is ruled out. So 1 cannot be taken into consideration. So therefore, if only numbers possible on the, as per the given condition, only the numbers that can turn up on the first die must be either 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. If it 6 comes, in the second die there will be a 5 ways. If it 5 comes here, 4 ways, and 4 comes here, 3 ways are possible, and 3 comes 2 ways, and 2 comes 1 way. These are the possibilities satisfying the condition. Therefore 1 cannot come on the this one. Okay, so now what is the total number of ways in the sample space is 6 into 6, because this, when I throw the die, there are 6 possibilities are there in the first die, and the second also 6 possibilities. Any one number can turn up. So therefore in the first, if I write here a box like this here, when I throw here, this is the 2 dice when I'm throwing here. This is the first one. Here it has 6 chances are there. Here it is 6 chances. Okay, but out of this, only favorable is only 15 possible. 66, 36 ways are there. 36 total number of possibilities are there when we throw first die and second die. Okay, so therefore, when we are rolling 2 dice, when you roll 2 dice, both are rolled simultaneously. Of course, throwing one and later also is the same thing, but here it is giving us in an experiment rolling 2 dice. 2 dice rolled at same time. So the possibility of turning up on this face and on this face, total will be 36. But the given condition should be the first die which falls here. When 2 dice, we call this is first die. When we are throwing this 2 dice, call one as first die, the second one as the second, the other one as second. So now see number on this and see on the number. The second die must have the less than first one. Okay, so therefore total weight is 15. 15 by 36 it is 5 by 2 the required. So hope you understood. We'll stop here.